Hello, this is my addition to the sharing community about printer building, 3D printer building, especially Hypercube, and I was wondering about T-nuts. If you have some T-nuts on the way or still on delivery and you can't wait to finish, here are some alternatives. Well, we all know that the T-nuts are only there to fasten the parts within this frame, this extrusion. I'm using a 3030, but don't be discouraged. There will be a number of possibilities also for 2020 extrusion. So as we see, it just slides in, and it would also be able to hang around. So I'll leave it there. Here's one type of very basic possibility to replace a T-nut. Just slide in something. Of course, you want to be sure that you put on the bolt and tighten it before it slips back. So this was alternative number one. Alternative number two, you have a very big possibility of play, very large possibility of play, but still using conventional methods. Here, as we go on, this is a normal washer. I just planed the sides, so it also fits in. Of course, this would turn if you would put torque on it, but that's why you have these long screws to be able to hold against as you would want to apply torque. So you hold against and torque the screw. Now, if you are really interested in precision, you won't use this, but here's also another alternative. It's just placed inside, especially if you're using some kind of bracket or something that is not really of weight. As we go on, I had this bolt at home which had all four squares, and I just planed the sides to be able to put it inside the extrusion like this. Just feed it inside. Okay. And something for non-metric system. This is also automotive use. It's just a clamp, very basic clamp from all kinds of car parts, and it doesn't use a metric system. Or you can prepare a part which you slide inside like this. I just prepared it. It's just a piece of steel. You can also attach anything onto it. And if you would like to be able to be very, very precise, then you have the possibility of this. This is just a flat-headed screw which I planed on the two sides, and look at the precision in the extrusion. It's running fine. Of course, you want to attach some kind of washer on it because of this height difference here shown here, but that does not mean any problems. You can use this especially if you're looking forward to some kind of very stiff attachment, for example a bracket or something where you need a higher torque. So just plane this type of screw. Go to your hardware store, look for this type of screw. They usually use it on all the doors and everywhere you do not have any access from the outside to the bolt head. And a last possibility is to, if you want to add, for example, this is just an IKEA foot. If you want to add it, just put it inside and turn the, of course, hold and turn, and it's stiff. So there you go, sharing community. Thank you.